Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add arrows in Google Slides using 3 different methods. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or even a personal project, arrows are a simple way to highlight important points and guide your audience's attention. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can either start fresh with a blank presentation or pick a template that suits your project. This sets the stage for adding arrows and other visual elements. Let's start with adding an arrow using the Shapes menu. Click on Insert in the top menu bar, then select Shape. From the drop-down, choose Arrows. You'll see a variety of styles: straight arrows, curved arrows, and even more decorative options. Click on the arrow you like, move to your slide, and then click and drag to place it. You can adjust the size and direction by using the blue corners or sides that appear around the arrow. Once your arrow is placed, you can customize it to match your presentation. Select the arrow and from the toolbar, change the color, line weight, or even transparency. This lets you make your arrow stand out or blend in seamlessly with your slide design. The second method is using the Line tool. Go to Insert, click Line, and then select the arrow option. Click and drag on the slide to draw your arrow. This method gives you more precise control over the length and angle, which is perfect if you're pointing to a specific part of your slide. Finally, you can add arrows directly to the text or shapes. Select the shape or text box, then click on the border to add an arrowed line. This is great for flowcharts or connecting ideas visually. Just drag and adjust the arrow as needed. Using arrows effectively can really improve your slides, making them clearer and more engaging. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, sizes, and positions until your presentation looks just right. I hope you found these methods simple and useful for your next Google Slides project. Adding arrows is a small step, but it can make a big difference in how your audience understands your content. Happy presenting!